Next, let's sew up the little rabbit. Take out the sewn head and body. Start by sewing the ears. First, thread the yarn tail of one ear onto the sewing needle. Both ears are sewn onto the first 3 rounds at the top of the rabbit's head. Round 1, Round 2 and Round 3. The ears are sewn onto these first 3 rounds. Let's start by sewing one ear. First, secure both ends. Then secure the front and back ends. Weave the yarn tail back and forth inside the fabric several times. Break yarn. Then neaten it up a bit. One ear is sewn on. Please sew the other ear on the opposite side in the same way. This is how it looks after both ears are sewn on. Next, take out the rabbit's tail. Thread the yarn tail through the sewing needle. Sew the tail onto round fur on the back of the body. First, locate the 4th round. 1st round, 2nd round, 3rd round and 4th round. Then insert the needle below the 4th round. Pull the yarn out above the 4th round. Then secure the points first. After securing both ends, weave the yarn tail back and forth inside the fabric several times. Break yarn. Thread the other yarn tail through the sewing needle. Thread the yarn tail inside the fabric. Break yarn. This completes sewing a rabbit's tail. Next, embroider the rabbit's mouth. Take the pink yarn and thread it through the sewing needle. Next, embroider a Y-shaped mouth on the head on rounds 8 and 11 between two eyes. Locate rounds 8 to 11. Right in the center here. These are round 1, round 2, round 3 and round 4. Rounds 5 and 6. Rounds 7 and 8. Insert the needle from any position. Pull it out from above round 8. Insert the needle to stitches apart. Then pull it out from below round 8. These are rounds 8,910 and 11. Insert the needle below round 11. Then pull both yarn tails out through the same spot. Then pull the yarn tight. Shape the mouth. Then tie a dead knot with the 2 yarn tails. Cut off the excess yarn tails. Push the yarn end into the fabric. Then even it up a bit. Lift the cheeks on both sides. And even it up a bit. The mouth is now completed. Let's embroider the patterns onto the ears. Take out the pink yarn. Separate to strands. Thread these 2 strands onto the sewing needle. Take out the rabbit. Insert the needle anywhere. Pull through the top of the ear. Then pull through the bottom of the ear. Then, pull back through here. After sewing, pull the yarn to the bottom of the other ear. Both yarn tails come out from the same spot. Tie a dead knot with the 2 yarn tails. Cut the yarn tails. Push the yarn end into the fabric. This completes the rabbit's ear patterns. The little rabbit is finished.